Okay, real quickly, tonight we are talking again about decimals, okay, and going to the hundredths place. So real quickly, if we were to look at this whole picture right here, this picture is divided into 10 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we were to write this as a fraction, our denominator would be 10 because it's divided into 10 equal pieces. Now if I colored in one of those pieces, we would write that down as being 1/10 of a fraction. Okay? Now if we were going to write that as a decimal, our ones place is on the left. So far we've been working to the left with ones, tens, and hundreds. Today and yesterday and today we are working to the right. So we've got the tenths place is just to the right of the decimal. So 1/10 we would write that down as 0.1. 1/10 of the shape. Now if we work over another spot, well, let's look at the one next, the shape down here. This box is broken into 100 pieces. So if I colored in one of those, it would be considered 1/100th of the box. Okay, and with that one we would color it in as 0, 1, because we go out, we would write down as 0.01 because the 1 is now in the hundredths place. So make sure you get the 0 in here, otherwise if you don't have that placeholder you're going to have the wrong answer. So real quickly, let me go over what your homework is tonight. Again, we are doing 11-2, which is comparing whole numbers. Okay, and so a quick refresher on how to do that. If we have two different whole numbers that go to the tenths place, you start on the left side. To see which one is bigger, you're going to start on the left column and you compare them. So both these numbers have a 0 in the ones place. We're going to keep working from left to right until we get a number that is different. So if we go to the tenths place, this one has a 3, this one has a 4. Which one is greater? Well, the 4 is. So the alligator is going to eat the 4. Okay? If we look at the next problem here, number 2, it says there's a 1 in the ones place, a 0 in the tens and the ones place. So which one is greater? Well, 1. That one was really easy. Okay? Let's look at let's go over here to number 4. Okay, if we look at number 4, we start going from left to right. This one has a 2 in the ones place. This one has a 2 in the ones place. We're going to move over to the tenths place. They both have a 7 in the tenths place. So we're going to move to the hundredths place. This one has a 0. This has nothing. Don't let that confuse you. Okay? They're both the same because nothing is the same as putting a 0 in there. So these two numbers are equal. Okay? Now one more here. If we look at number 5, again we're going to start with the left and work to the right. They both have a 0 in the ones place. In the tenths place, the left number has an 8. The right number has a 7. Those are different. So which one is greater? Well, the 8 is. So we would say that 81 hundredths is greater than 79 hundredths. Okay? You can do numbers 3 and 6 on your own, but I'm going to show you number 7 real quick, and then you can go off and do the rest yourself. So for number 7, we're going to do the same thing. We're comparing the numbers, we're ordering the numbers from least to greatest. So again, we're going to start with the left. We're going to compare. In the ones place, they all have a 0. So we need to go to the next place. We're going to go to the tenths place. The first one has a 3, the second one has a 4, and the third one has a 3. So 4 is obviously going to be the greatest, but we need to see out of these two which one is greater and which one is less. So we're going to go one more place value over. This one has a 7, this one has a 1. Which one is greater? The 37 tenths. So we'll just write it down. This is going to go first. 31 tenths, comma. Then we're going to put 37 tenths, comma. And then, of course, 41. I said tenths. I take that back. Those are hundredths. I apologize. 31 hundredths, 37 hundredths, and 41 hundredths. We say hundredths because the digit goes all the way out to the hundreds place. Good luck.